All right, here I am again, cleaning my garage, getting ready for a transformation. I'm going to be doing a garage gym. Here I am picking out colors, and I'm going to start painting. However, not a professional. I suggest you use tape. Okay, so I got a 32-inch TV, and I got this little mount from Wally World, and it's going to go up there. So, I'm about to get started. This squat rack, I got it off of Walmart.com. It was the last one in stock, so I was really happy to have gotten it. I want to say the maximum weight is 800 pounds. I will never ever be able to lift 800 pounds, and I'm not even going to try, so this will be perfect for me. So I'm going to get it installed. I got the mats. It's going to be installed right in this area. So my friend is here to help me. Say hey. So she's going to help me get this put together because I'm pretty sure you need two people for the assembly. So So this was finna try to happen. They say it ain't gonna work. We gonna make it work. So it didn't work. That's it. My friend Mia came to save the day.
You're welcome.
So, finally back from Walmart, and I got this mat, and it's gonna go under my my treadmill. So I'm about to open this up. This was like $18 at Walmart. It looks like this. This has got to be the most tedious part of this whole project. Trying to get these leveled and looking right while trying to cover up flaws I made in the wall. But it's getting done. So here we have Good Things Take Time and our clock, a whiteboard, and the TV that was mounted. Here's the weight bench that I got, couple of weights, free weights, and then also you can see the sign here that my friend helped me create. Thank you, Geneva. It says focus on your goals, baby girl. Here's a squat bench and a different kind of bar, not the bar that goes with it, actually. And this is another sign that my friend helped me create, Tracy's Gym. And this is my treadmill that I got, along with a couple of quotes that and motivational things that I, felt like I wanted to have on my wall. So as you can see, that no excuses, even because I have a lot of them. And I'm gonna try not to. And this is an elliptical that I got for $10 at a thrift store about a couple years ago. And so it definitely was going in my gym. And this is the rack that I made for my yoga mat, yoga ball, jump ropes, and things like that. So as you can see, it takes up about a little bit over a third of my gym. Of my garage, and I can still park my cars. You can still see in some of the pictures. And that is it.